Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are the best game day wings. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious Korean style chicken wings baked in the oven. They're going to be sticky, they're going to be sweet, they're going to be spicy, perfect for the upcoming game day. And let's jump right in. All the measurements and ingredients will be down in the description below. I have my chicken wings right here. I like to buy them from Butcher Box, not a sponsor. It's just where I like to get them because they're organic and they taste really good, better than what I think is the store-bought ones. So I have my chicken wings and I am going to make my sauce. Now, I will include the weight of the chicken wings down in the description below as well. So again, depending on how many people you're hosting or how many chicken wings you want to make, you can of course adjust the recipe based on that. For my sauce, what you're going to need a 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar. So I'm going to add a 1/4 cup like that. Now I'm gonna do a 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce. You can also use coconut aminos. We're going to do 1/2 cup of gochujang. And this is fermented chili paste. It's also a little bit sweet, so it has just such a delicious flavor that it adds to your dish. This is such a simple recipe, and these wings, everyone's gonna be asking for the recipe whenever you make them at home. I forgot to also mention that while I'm making my marinade for the wings, I'm preheating my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So to this, I'm also going to add some honey, about a 1/4 cup of honey. I'm gonna do a sprinkle of ginger. It's about a 1/4 teaspoon. I don't like fresh ginger. If you like fresh ginger, you can use that as well. But I like just the hint of flavor without being too overpowering, which is why I like to use the ground ginger instead. I'm also gonna add my sesame seeds. This is just my preference. You can add as much as you want. I like a lot of sesame seeds, so I'm gonna add a good amount to this. And now I'm also going to add some garlic. So I'm gonna get 4 large garlic cloves. You can also use the minced garlic from a jar, that is fine as well. So I'm gonna get my garlic cloves. And we're just going to mince the garlic. You can also press it. Again, if you're using it from the jar, that's fine as well, but you want about 4 cloves worth, which is maybe about 2 tablespoons. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. And if you know someone who's looking for a really good recipe coming up for this game day, make sure to share this video with them by hitting that share button. After you've mixed all the ingredients, you want to taste it just to make sure if you want to add any kind of extra salt. I'm using a low sodium soy sauce. Again, all of my measurements are in the description below. That's my preference for this, so you can follow that exactly. Of course, you can always add any extra salt or anything at the very end once you're done, but I like to give it a taste just to make sure that I am exactly where I need to be for the sauce. Let's go ahead and marinate our chicken wings now. So I'm gonna take my marinade and pour it all over the wings. And I'm just gonna leave a little bit left over for the very end where we can glaze the top of it. So just a tiny bit that I'm leaving over. Just putting a glove on for ease. Of course, you can also do this in a plastic bag, or you can do this in a larger bowl. I am just going to make sure that all of my wings are fully coated. And I'm gonna cover and let this marinate from just about 15 minutes. Make sure that the chicken wings are kind of fully setting with that sauce. The wings have been marinating for about 30 minutes in the fridge. And my oven is now preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to take them out and lay them on a baking tray that has parchment paper lined on it. I'm just gonna take my wings out and we're just going to lay them out in our baking tray, sheet pan, whatever you're using. I'm gonna now take a basting brush and get some of that extra garlic and sesame sauce. Make sure that all of my wings are fully coated. And once you do that, we're gonna bake the wings for a total of 30 minutes. Every 10 minutes, I'm going to take the wings out and baste them again in this delicious marinade that we made. And then at the 20-minute mark, you're going to flip them over for just that last time. So again, every 10 minutes, you're going to baste, and at the 20-minute mark, you're going to flip them over, baste again, and finish up in the oven. And there you have it, delicious Korean-style baked chicken wings. These again are perfect for game day. Take a look at this. You have that spicy, sweet Korean umami flavor and nice and sticky and just delicious. I cannot wait to dig into this. You guys are gonna absolutely love this recipe. Let me get this perfect wing right here. I mean, guys, take a look at this. It's perfectly baked. It is perfectly delicious. Cheers. These are so good. I absolutely love this recipe. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.